We had 18 professional drivers participate in the 2019 championship. To qualify, number one, you have to go 1 year without any accidents, preventable and non-preventable. We put everybody to the test in 3 fronts. Written test, we test them on their knowledge of the industry, safety regulations. The next part is a pre-trip inspection, and it's not the normal 105-point pre-trip inspection we do every day before we drive. It's a vehicle staged with a series of defects, and they have 8 minutes to walk around that truck and find as many defects as they can. And then lastly, we have that 6-problem driving course. The first stop was a scale stop on the passenger side of the vehicle at the trailer axle, where our driver would split the axle for the maximum points. From there, they proceeded to what would be called like a simulated fuel dump. It's a target on the ground, and when they're articulating into a right turn, they had to match this bullseye up with a piece of tape on the passenger side of the tractor that they almost couldn't see, really totally guessing at it. From there, we complete a right turn moving into a diminishing lane starting at about 12 foot wide, and it exits at 11 feet wide. And the goal there is to not knock over any cones or knock the tennis balls off the cones, so get through there without hitting anything. Our next problem was a backing problem. And it was kind of unique in that they only had a side guide and a barricade at the back. So the object there was to back up as close to that barricade as we could get without hitting it. However, they had to be within 18 inches of that driver's side barricade in order to even qualify for the points. So if you got within 18 inches of the simulated dock, if you were too far over from the driver's side dock, no points given there. So from there, we move over to our 5-point turn, where we measure a right turn off the front right trailer axle. Each score pad was worth 10 points. And the very last was a new challenge that we tried out this year, a simulated stop line. They get as close as they can to this first line, and they get a maximum opportunity of 45 points. Or if they really wanted to challenge themselves, they could go another 2 feet for the maximum 50 points. But the gamble there is that 18-inch gap from 45 to 50. Bumper lands in there, you don't get any points. So that was our 6-problem course today. And what's really unique about that course is we challenge the driver to get close to dangerous situations that we don't normally do in the real world every day. We try to stay away from danger, but this is an exercise over control and maneuverability of the vehicle. We had a great mix of veteran competitors, people that have been even to the state level and national truck driving championships, and we had our new folks. So it challenges everybody, and even the veteran competitors will tell you every year is different, and you just never know what you're going to get till you get behind the wheel. Every driver that competed today has a proven track record of safety and performance and loyalty as well. It's a celebration of safety and service.